Hey, if you're dealing with sciatica, you know exactly how excruciating that pain can be and how frustrating it is that you just can't seem to find a comfortable position. What I want to do in this video is walk you through some real simple things that you can do at home to make sure that you're not dealing with that sciatic pain to the same level as usual. One of the best things to do at home as far as treatment of sciatica is a combination of ice and heat. So not just ice, not just heat, but a combination of the both. I'm going to recommend something called the 20-20-20 rule. Essentially what this is 20 minutes of ice, 20 minutes of heat, and then 20 minutes of nothing at the end. Now the reason I recommend this is because of three key factors. One, it reduces inflammation. Two, it relaxes the muscles and the surrounding tissues better than any of the other methods. And then the last thing is that it brings blood flow and nutrition off to those areas as well. And it's more effective when you use ice and heat rather than just one or the other. So when we look at the 20-20 rule, 20-20-20 rule, we find that we start with ice. That's the most effective way to start. Then after 20 minutes, we're gonna move on to moist heat. So not dry heat, but moist heat. One of the best ways to accomplish this is just simply putting a moist towel inside a heating pad that you're using. So 20 minutes ice, 20 minutes of moist heat, and then 20 minutes of nothing. That would be one cycle, and one 20-20-20 cycle takes 1 hour. After that, you can do up to 2 more cycles in a given period of time. So 3 total cycles of 20 minutes of ice, 20 minutes of heat, and then 20 minutes of nothing. Going to be one of the most effective ways to help you out at home in negating that pain that you're dealing with when it comes to sciatica. However, when we look at sciatica, know that using ice and heat isn't going to be a long-term fix. It's definitely going to help with the pain in the short term, but it's not going to be a long-term fix. One of the best things that you can do in order to help out with sciatic pain is see a chiropractor. At Deep Roots Health Center in Bentonville, we've helped tons of people with sciatic pain. It's one of the most common symptoms that comes into our practice. So if you or somebody that you know is dealing with sciatica, make sure that you stop on in or you set up an appointment, comment, tag, or share below. That'll be the first step, and I will see you on a future video.